Nagbabalak ba kayong gumala sa Limasawa Island but you don't have any idea how? Well, this video is for you. To start with best, I'm residing in Bible Lady, which made me more accessible to this one of the must-to-go island. Supposedly right, but well, akala nyo lang yon, but that's not the reality. I don't know why, but sometimes kung saan pa yung malapit sa inyo, yun pa ang di mo napupuntahan. Or maybe because I'm not so aware on how it's accessible to us. So this video is our DIY tour going to Limasawa Island. In this video, you will know some of the basic information paano pumunta doon and bakit siya dinadayo ng local tourists. Guys, the night before lang pala kami nag-decide mag-Limasawa Island. So we ready our food at night, which is good for breakfast and lunch because day tour lang naman kami. So night, nagluto na kami. Then wala nang tulugan kasi marami pang i-ready. From our barangay around 3 a.m., we went na to Baybay City Terminal using motorcycle. And iniwan ko lang yung motorcycle sa parking ng Save More. So guys, nagmotor lang kami kasi wala pang public transport sa oras na yun. In Baybay Terminal, marami namang nakapila na van going to Maasin. So umalis yung van at 4 a.m. Yung rate niya is 200 pesos per pax. Mabilis lang yung biyahe. 1.5 hour lang yung travel time. So nakarating kami ng Maasin Terminal at 5:30 a.m. na. Then, we transferred to a multi-cab going to Padre Burgos. So medyo matagal umalis yung multi-cab pala. We waited like 45 minutes pa bago siya umalis. So mga 6:50 na AM na siya umalis. 50 pesos pala yung pamasahe. Around 7 AM na kami nakarating ng port ng Padre Burgos. Take note guys pala that we went Sunday, so wala siyang mga official boat na sinasakyan. Pero marami naman yung ordinary lang na boat. Bali 200 per pax din yung bayad ng boat. Around 4 to 50 minutes din yung travel to Limasawa Island from Padre Burgos. Hindi pala kami nagpa-reserve ng mga cottage, but we are aware of Dakdak Beach Resort, which famous, so we told the operator of the boat doon kami magstay. So dumiretso na yung boat doon sa resort. Sa Dakdak Resort kami nagstay, kumuha lang kami ng cottage which is worth 500. Pero meron din namang mas mura, like 350. Walang masyadong tao, very peaceful and relaxing. Doon na kami nag-breakfast para makatipid kayo guys. It's better talaga na may food kayong dala. Although, meron namang silang ino-offer na foods, meron ding mabibilhan doon sa resort. After ng breakfast, nag-picture-picture kami doon konti. And then, at 10 a.m. we decided to start na yung tour around the island. There is available tricycle sila na maglilibot sa inyo sa mga tourist spots around the island. 200 per pax yung bayad. So first, we went to the famous shrine. Dito pala ginanap yung unang mass. Meron magagandang painting and may well din sila na pwede kang mag-wish. Going to Magellan's Cross, may 450 steps pero hindi na kami dumaan sa stairs kasi may shortcut naman sa likod. Doon na kami pinadaan ni Kuya Driver / tour guide. Pero choice nyo yan kung gusto nyong umakyat using stairs or doon lang sa mas madali. Then after that, we went to the peak of hill. Madadaanan lang siya. I don't know what was the name of it. Basta konting picture lang. The next, doon sa Limasawa sign, yung may word na Limasawa Island. So near lang siya sa Municipal Hall. Yung may parang colorful. And then, yung famous naman, yung may yung painted siya sa rock. Near lang siya sa Old Port naman. After that one, our final stop was in Blue Lagoon, na very famous. Super ganda niya. So dito kami medyo natagalan. Around 1 p.m. nag-decide na kami bumalik sa Dakdak Beach Resort. Nag-lunch kami and then we just enjoyed the rest of the time. Meron sa gitna ng dagat like cottage na pwede kang mag-jump. That it was very nice. The water is very blue, crystal clear, peaceful, not crowded. As in, it's like paradise. Makaka-relax ka talaga. So mga 3:30 PM, nagpakuha na kami sa boat. Different payment pala siya kung pabalik ha. Same ang payment, 200 per pax. And around 4:30 PM, nakarating kami ng Port of Burgos. So, another thing, pet-friendly pala yung Limasawa Island and Dakdak Beach Resort kasi dala-dala namin yung Pomeranian na si Zeus. And pwede din kayong mag-overnight. I don't know lang yung rates, but pwede siya. In our case kasi yung brother ko, babalik na ng Cebu, kaya day tour lang yung pinili namin. Overall guys, it was very, very satisfying. We enjoyed our DIY tour and we learned a lot from our culture as well. It's not that so much pricey naman if you do it by your own, especially kung may prepared food na kayo. So guys, sa nagbabalak dyan, I highly recommended po to try Limasawa Island. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. God bless all.